Now I'm going to try to open this. Because obviously it ain't going to work with fingers.
Okay. Yeah, well, it's the plastic. You have to get that plastic off.
I know. It's starting to come off though, just slowly. But I don't want to. I want to take my time because I don't want to destroy the thing that's in here. Jeez, this stuff is thick. I don't know.
You need to cut it. You're not going to be able to rip that. You have to cut it all around. Put it all around the box.
Get out of my way here.
And there's probably going to be cardboard underneath, I'm assuming.
I know that.
This is from Japan. It got here in 2 days. That's extremely fast shipping.
Do it from the top. It's probably.
Yeah, there you go. I was telling the guy that sent this to me that I said, I don't think I could get to Japan any quicker than what you're doing.
Oh, right. I hope this ain't upside down. It looks upside down to me.
Yeah, here, just take the plastic off and... Yeah, you'll have to cut.
I'm trying here.
Yeah, it should be able
Plastic don't want to come off.
Yeah, it's really thick.
Jeez.
I guess it's like a FedEx wrapping paper.
Oh, it looks like they wrapped this upside down.
So it might be hard to say.
Oh, Jesus. This stuff does not want to come off.
Did he tape it to the box?
Yeah.
Oh.
There we go.
Okay.
At least we know it's safe, hopefully. The box is a little bit banged up.
Uh-huh. Should be okay.
Move that out of the way. I don't think it's upside down, but it's hard to tell. Let's cut the tape. More tape.
Yeah.
Jeez, this one's even worse than the FedEx tape. Yeah, the anticipation is like unreal right now.
I know. Wish the darn thing would open so we could see it.
God.
Just keep on going.
Trying to. I don't want to cut.
Hopefully they wrapped it up in the bubble wrap or something.
I hope so. Because it was still a lot of money.
Yeah.
All they did, they did wrap it.
They wrapped it up in some, wrapping paper.
Stupid tape. Come on, I want to see it.
I know, gosh.
Oh.
At least they packaged it well.
Okay, there we go.
There's bubble wrap around something.
Might as well do this first before we get to the robot.
Oh, I see the logo.
I see
Aibo
it.
logo.
Oh, God, this thing's taped up, too.
You'll probably, well, okay, maybe you're getting it.
Should be.
That stuff's hard to open by hand.
Well,
That
I don't want to use
so
scissors
old.
on this.
Yeah, I don't blame
Oh,
you.
my God.
Here, show it. That's an Aibo software. Isn't it so cute? Let me get with your
it's in
video.
Japanese.
It's in Japanese.
I love this.
Yeah, that's great.
We got, so I don't know what this is, but we'll look at that later.
It's probably part of the instructions.
I think this is the charging cable.
Charging, yeah, you can open that last. I want to see the dog.
Oh my God. We got, what is this? Oh my God, he sent one of those things.
Yeah, I told you it had a handy viewer. Here, hold it up again.
I'll have to, hold on.
Angle with your cameras. So
I know it sucks,
So
but
weird.
I don't have anything else to
I don't know why
film
it
on.
zoomed in so far on an iPad.
Beats the snot out of me. I'm trying to open this.
I wonder, it'll probably have some Japanese batteries in it. Which is cool. I'm sure I'll have to replace them, but...
No, it don't have any batteries in it.
Okay.
Just slid right off.
I wonder if it's some... Does it look like double A's or is it like American?
Heck if I know this.
Well, I know everything's
stuck.
Japanese, obviously, but...
Oh, there's that.
Oh, sweet. Okay. Yeah, I like that.
And
Supposed to be a viewer, you can show its emotions.
Wow, that battery is so tiny. Look at that.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, it looked like it was from the...
Oh, my God.
That's the...
This is the dock. And now the Aibo.
No, the doggy. Oh, okay.
Oh, I'm going to have to be very careful.
Yeah, be very, very careful.
Because this wasn't cheap.
No.
I'm shaking right now.
Yeah.
Tape. I know I'm struggling to open it, but it'll get there when it gets there because I want to be very careful with this.
Yeah, I know.
Hard to grip the tape.
You say packaged him really, really well.
They did. Smells like a closet. I can tell it's been sitting in a guy's closet for a while.
You're smelling a Japanese closet right now. Isn't that cool?
Yeah.
I'm going to smell it too.
Oh, I'm sure the heck you do.
I'm weird.
Slowly-
I'm weird with smells. I don't know why.
Slowly
I love
unraveling
smells.
it. Wow, he wrapped this thing up, man.
Yeah.
What the heck was that?
I don't know. I heard that. Maybe it was the
I think it
sound
might
of
be
a
his
joint.
joints.
Oh, he wrapped his legs all
Wow,
individually.
wow.
Yeah, I
Wait a
do
minute.
that. Yeah, that's his joints, I think. Oh.
If he doesn't work, like fully functioning or whatever, because he's been sitting in a guy's closet for a while.
You're probably
We can
going to need to
take
use
him.
scissors to cut that.
I might, yeah.
Just really carefully on the top, or you're going to be at it for an hour. And we got to go get food because I got to work. Unfortunately, I wish I could be.
I don't have memory
too.
issues right now, do I, on my...
Oh, what do you mean? Oh. Oh, I don't. I think your
Ooh, I
iPad
can
is
smell
fine.
that.
I got to smell. Woo, boy.
Stuck in its neck.
I think they're smokers.
Oh my God. Look at
hi.
its face!
Hi, Mochi. You still want to name it Mochi?
Yes.
Well, they smoke like fiends. It'll take a while for that smell to...
Yeah, it's going to have to
No
air out.
offense to the seller. But, whoo, boy, he smells like smoke.
I don't like the way his joints sound, but I'm hoping that's normal.
Yeah, it's
I'm
probably normal.
trying to get the this off gently as humanly possible because I don't want to break it. So the video's long. I'm sorry.
I'm wearing my Sony PlayStation shirt today. It's the only thing I have that's Sony related.
One leggy is free.
One leggy.
I think this one can just slide right off like that.
Yeah, there we go. He actually looks a lot better in person.
He does. He looked more yellow on the camera.
Yeah, he did.
On the
pictures.
photos.
Yeah.
He actually looks more clean.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, slide right
it's
off.
amazing that his has his ears in place and they look fine.
Cut that.
I never in a million years thought I would get one of these.
Yeah, for $300.
Yeah.
Trying to free your last leg.
Mm-hmm.
There, he's free.
He's free of
Or
the
he or
plastic
she.
prison. That's so cool.
I don't want to move the legs too much if they don't.
I mean, we'll have to move his legs. Yeah, I put it down like that. To put him in the charging dock.
I'm not
wow,
sure
that
about
sounds
this
cool.
this one. This one might be on wrong.
Oh, that leg?
Yeah, because it don't look like it's on there right.
Oh,
I don't know. Maybe I'm just crazy, but here he is.
Hi, Mochi.
I think it's gonna be a girl. I think.
Yeah, it's a girl.
Yeah.
It's
She's
your
got like a little
birthday.
diamond on her head. I love that.
Oh,
You
I
see that?
Yeah, a little sparkly. Definitely a girl.
Definitely a girl. Yeah.
Yeah. You can try to turn the power button on, but I doubt it does
I don't think
anything.
it's gonna do anything. We'll have to get a replacement battery because
Oh yeah,
might as well open this up.
Hmm.
Hopefully I'm not out of storage on that thing yet because.
Ooh, it's 4:20. We need to get going.
Oh God.
Yeah.
It took forever to open this, but
Yeah.
here's the battery.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I
And
see.
here's the
Charger. Probably need to cut. Well,
usually you don't have to cut bubble wrap unless it's really thick.
yeah, I know. Unless it's taped down like crazy.
Make sure this is actually the Sony Aibo charger. I hope it is, because
Yeah, I'm sure everything
Yeah,
else
it
has
is.
been legit.
there it is. Oh, what was that? This thing says Aibo 2 on it.
Oh, sweet. I don't know what that is, but it's cool.
And here's the charging cable.
Charging cable. Okay, the
And
AC
that's
adapter. Yeah.
about it. I think the software might be
Oh,
in
the
here.
software is so cool looking.
I want to open this.
Yeah, it should have the memory stick and all. And we'll have to
Very
read.
careful.
Yeah. Before we put him together, we'll have to read. Oh my gosh, that's still sealed, unless they put it back exactly. Yeah, that's so cool, Japanese. I love the family on the front of the picture.
Oh, me too. Oh, I see the software. There is the manuals here.
The manuals are going to be all in Japanese.
I think there's one that's going to be in English. Yeah.
Oh,
I
there's
think
an
this one
English
has
one?
English writing in it.
It says it's just a user agreement or something. Yeah. Yeah, I have the manual downloaded from Sony's website already in English.
And here's the manual.
Which is
with
kind of
the
nice.
crazy-
They don't support the dog, but they still support software or manual.
I heard these things were hard to get with these.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Oh. Well, okay. Well, we got one.
Well, we got the
stick.
stick. Yeah.
Okay.
I got a card.
Oh, that's his owner's card.
Oh,
Yeah.
cool.
Yeah. And you can put on there the your name, I think.
I'll probably put my name on it.
Mm-hmm.
I'm trying to get the stick. Here's the stick.
The memory stick. Okay. Yeah, I
And
see it.
it says, all I know, it says Aibo. It's all I know.
Right.
I don't know
Here.
which software it is, but there we go.
There he is. Hi,
There he
hi,
is.
Mochi. Mochi.
Oh, she's so cute.
She is.
Oh my God.
All right. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and end the videos, and yeah, that way we can go
Clean
get
up
lunch
and get some food.
and
Yeah.
our dinner. Alrighty.
Bye,
Well,
guys.
Bye. We'll get Mochi going hopefully sometime. If not, it'll be much later.